RMU has been amazing. This is my third year coming, and I've still learned things on models that I've been selling for 4 or 5 years.
We walk sales guys through each of the construction processes. They get to see the actual materials that are getting used, the methods that are used to put the boats together, and the utmost care and craftsmanship that goes into the actual construction of the boats.
You get updates on new products, feel out the industry as a whole, and what's to come.
It's phenomenal. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic to learn how you guys actually sell the boats and things like that. And every time I come here, I learn more and I get more excited about what you're doing, what your future looks like. It makes me want to buy a new boat.
You get to share fun memories, fun times.
To get back together with people you haven't seen, other dealers in the area.
And I think that by doing so, you get more camaraderie within our industry.
All these guys are great. They come from all different areas around the country. Once a year, we all get together and have a little bit of fun and learn something too. So it's a great learning environment.
Now's the time to plan and get things in place so second half of 2025 going into 2026 we can have a great year.
Why I'm so happy to attend RMU every year, it's the people and it's the relationships, and those are all built by Regulator. And it's a tradition that you come here, you learn, you meet the people and make relationships, and they're going to last decades, and that's why I come every year.